I got a question for you. You ever pulled in an RV park and it was so quiet you thought you should have brought flowers to put on your neighbor's grave? I'm going to show you how to liven it up at the park, the Uncle Billy way. This is your old Uncle Billy here, and behind the camera, that's Mama Tipsey. Woo, Mama Tipsey.
Hey, Uncle Billy.
Oh, let me tell you, she's fine as frog hair. Woo. And she's hotter than a goat's butt in a pepper patch. Ooh, and I do love her so. Mama Tipsey.
Why, thank you, Uncle Billy.
Thank you for filming this. I appreciate that. So this is the way we liven things up. We get all set up at the campground and it's quiet as a mouse. And let me tell you, people say quiet as a mouse, they must have never stomped on one in their trailer house before. Them things are squeaking like a madman. Anyway, you know those people there at the campsite, they're bored out of their minds. But I got a solution that is gooder than grits. So this is how we do it. After we get set up at that there campground, we get that party started. Oh man, we crank up that music to 11 on our outdoor speakers, and we share some of that good music with that whole campground. Let me tell you, we play that music so loud you want to slap your mama. Woo, that's pretty loud, Mama Tipsey.
Freebird, Freebird. Freebird's the best song ever written.
Best song ever written. Freebird, right there. Oh, man, it just does it for me, Mama Tipsey. You know, I've heard that when you play your music loud, it stimulates those endorphins. Whatever the hell an endorphin is. You know what an endorphin is, Mama Tipsey?
I do not.
I don't know either, whatever the hell it is. Then I pull my truck in backwards. That's right, I open up both the dumb doors and I crank up that stereo too. That way we get some of that true stereophonic sound, you know? And don't forget to put your tailgate down. You're gonna need some extra seating when them people coming over there.
It's a party at Uncle Billy's. Uncle Billy, tell us about that shirt.
Oh, this shirt right here? Oh, that's my buddy Camper Life got me this shirt right here. That's just some smoking hot whiskey right there.
Oh, Billy, it's his old smoky Tennessee
smoky
whiskey.
Tennessee whiskey right there. Camper Life, he drinks some of that, you know, and when he gets all lit up, he's pretty dang quiet. I don't know about that. I know I don't get quiet. We're gonna light it up. Now, if one of my neighbors comes over there and he's redder than a pickled beet, woo, you know, he thinks I've been crapping in his cornflakes. Well,
Uncle Billy.
I know. I want to be. I'm a nice guy. I want to be nice. I don't want to be irritating, right, Mama Tipsey?
You are so nice, Uncle Billy.
So I offer them some free earplugs right here. I mean, them earplugs, look at that. They've barely been used. They've been out there in the oil field, and they get free earplugs from me. Just put them in, problem solved.
That's so nice, Uncle Billy.
I know.
You're so thoughtful.
I know. And another way that we do it to keep that party going is say we want to go sightseeing, right, Mama Tipsey? We want to go see some of them sights.
We love to see the sights.
Well, I tell you what we do. We just keep that music going while we're gone.
That way everybody can enjoy it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. But I am telling you something. You might want to lock your camper, because someone might sneak in there and try and turn down your music, you know what I mean? Somebody that ain't even got any walking around sense. Now at nighttime, woo, me and Mama Tipsey, we do something real special. Now come on, man, not that. What are y'all talking about? Now we do something to kick that party into high gear. We pull out that fog machine and we put on some of that techno party rave music. You know that music that makes you feel so good you can't tell a skunk from a house cat. Woo! Woo! I put on my prism glasses, I drop that bass, pull my string, and let me do my thing. So when you get to that campground, don't make it boring, man. Crank up that music, liven it up. The Uncle Billy way.
Sweet home Alabama.
Woo!
You tell him, Uncle Billy. We got some Guns N' Roses, some Leonard Skinner. To fix your hair, Uncle Billy.
How's my hair looking?
Awesome.
Took me a while to get that mullet rolling. I'm telling you that much right there.
I love it.
Partying.
You tell him, Billy.
Come on this side. That's awesome. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Can't be that way. Don't burn your fingers.
You the man, Uncle Billy.
Get that accent going.
Don't tell me what to do.